Hello everyone, I am Shivansh Saxena and welcome back to Shivaay Academia Make It Your Way. In our previous lesson, we introduced the Vedic Mathematics Sutra that is Ekadhikena Purvena, which means one more than the previous one. In today's session, we will take a step further. We will take that understanding deep down and see how the same simple technique can be used in a much more powerful way. As we continue this journey, please remember that Vedic mathematics is not just about doing the faster calculations, but it is also about learning to recognize pattern and think differently about the numbers. So let's get started. Please keep your pen and paper with you. Wherever you feel it is important to take down the notes, feel free to pen them down. Let's move ahead. Ekadhikena Purvena, the improvised version. So let's first understand the steps to be followed, and then through examples, we are going to see clearly how this method works. Start adding the digits column wise. Starting from the unit digits, start adding the digits column wise. Step 1. Step 2. When the running total becomes greater than 10, put the dot to the number next to the digit. This tick will enrich the number by 1. Step 3. Then finally solve accordingly. So now let's, through examples, uncover this method. Here is the very first question: 587 add 689. So let's see how the improvised version of Ekadhikena Purvena works. Seven add 9 makes 16. 16 is greater than 10. Excess of 10, excess of 16, I write down 6 over here. Now the dot to the next number. So I put the dot over here. Now 8 add 1 is 9. 9 add 8 is 17, which is again greater than 10. Put the excess part over here and the dot to the next number. Finally, 5 add 1 is 6. 6 add 6 is 12. So this is our answer. Now I understand with 3 digit, it seems like we are doing the normal addition method, but let's see through complicated examples how this method is superior or much more faster than the other basic methods that we follow. Here's the second question: 6,897 add 7,654 add 9,170. Let's see. Now, 7 add 4 is 11, greater than 10. I put the dot over here. Excess of 11 is 1, 1 add 5. Moving to the next column, 9 add 1 makes it 10. I put the dot over here. Excess of 10 is 0. 0 add 5 is 5. 5 add 7 is 12. Excess of 10, again I write down the 2 and put the dot over here. Now 8 add 1 is 9. 9 add 6 is 15. Greater than 10, I put the dot over here. Excess of 15 is 5. 5 add 1 is 6. 6 add 1 is 7. Moving to the next column, 6 add 1, 7. 7 add 7 is 14. Again, greater than 10, but I do not see any number next to 7. So we put a 0 over here and we put the dot. 14, 4 at 9, 13. Again, greater than 10. I put the 0 over here and the dot. Finally, excess of 13 is 3. So 3 over here. Coming to the next column, 1 add 0, 1 add 1, 2 add 0. So the final answer is 23,726. Let's take another example and then we will wind up. So 789,675 add 989,457. 5 at 7 is 12 greater than 10. I put the dot over here. Excess of 12 is 2. We put down the 2. Coming to the next column, 7 at 1 is 8. 8 at 5, 13. Again, excess of 10. I put the dot over here. Excess of 13 is 3. I put down the 3 down below. 6 at 1, 7. 7 at 4, 11. Greater than 10. I put the dot over here. Excess of 11 is 1. Put down the 1 over here. Moving to the next column, 9 and 1 is 10. I put the dot over here. Excess of 10 is 0. 0 at 9 makes 9. Coming to the next column, 8 at 1, 9. 9 at 8, 17. Greater than 10, I put the dot over here. Excess of 17 is 7. I put down the 7 down below. Coming to the next column, 7 at 1 is 8. 8 at 9 is 17. Greater than 10, I put the 0 over here and the dot. Excess of 17 is 7. We put the 7 down below. And finally, the last column, 1 at 0, 1. This is our final answer. So I hope you all enjoyed that, learning that method. Now, like, share, and subscribe to Shivaay Academia and keep following the series because there is much more to come. Please press on the bell icon to never miss an update. Keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind and Har Har Mahadev.